Hello guys, Zev from New Zealand. We have got Xbox One S with broken HDMI port today. Xbox One S HDMI port is a little bit harder than replacing the HDMI port on PS4, which I have already made few videos before. So we have already opened the Xbox One S and removed the logic board, because there are lots of videos there on the YouTube which you can see how to remove the logic board. So this Xbox One S has got two HDMI port, one is input and one is output. So I will show you here. So this is the new charging port, and if you can see, this one here is broken, this one here. So maybe I can zoom in so that you can see clearly. Yep, so that's pretty obvious, it's broken. So what we will do, today's videos, I will show you how to remove the broken HDMI port from the Xbox One S and then solder back the new one. So let's start it. So guys, we will start heating it up from the bottom, and I have put some heat resist tape around the small parts which are around the HDMI port, so that just in case they don't get damaged or something. So just keep that user there and don't put it up. Just be very gentle and just wait when it's ready to come out, which is now, and that's it. So we have already removed the broken HDMI port. Now we will give it a clean. So guys, as usual, now we have to give it a little bit of clean with the wick, and okay, I will put a little bit more flux here. So they all look pretty good to me, and the only thing we need to do more is clean it with the isopropyl alcohol. I think that's okay. And now, oh sorry, I will go here. So now guys, we will take you under the microscope and then start soldering now. Um, so we have to now solder the HDMI port, the connectors. This is the part where I love most, like micro soldering. And I would like to introduce you guys. We have got a new guy here. Come, David. Say hi. Hello. Yeah, so David started 2 weeks ago, so he's a new person here anyway. So we will take you to the microscope here, and now we will start soldering. So as usual, we will put some flux. So I think I will tilt so that you can see and I can see clearly, because the connectors are a little bit inside. So is that fan spinning faster than the other one, I suppose? Is it? Is that smooth? Yeah? Smooth. It's faster. Okay. Anyway guys, I will quickly start soldering here now. So I think you can see, yeah, it's maybe the flux is there anyway. You will see now. I will go a little bit closer. Okay, and yep. So I think microscope is little bit, this is how these, so I will do it manually. I can focus for you because this is how this HDMI port is mounted. So maybe the camera is confused where to focus. I'm doing it manually so that you can see. So I think that's is clear enough. So I have already put some flux there, and so it's going pretty good so far. I think you can see, yep, that's pretty clear. So guys, you can only get good results when you are using the right techniques and right equipments. So if you guys, any of you are into any this sort of repairing and you would like to learn, you can join one of our courses. And if you are running an electronic repair shop or phone repair shop, unfortunately there is so much competition just by doing the most common repairs, which is just the battery replacement and the screen replacement. It's pretty hard to be successful. So to be successful, you have to be ahead of your competitors technologically, and you should have more skills. So these are only 2 left. So that's all done. Oh, you can't see anyway. So guys, the soldering is finished. So I would like to show you, I have already given it a little bit of clean. So this is a good example of nicely soldered joint. See? So once you are finished, then you can check, one by one. If any one of these is moving, you might not get the display. So they are all like solid rock, overall connected well. So let's put it back together and see how it goes. And before I go, maybe I can show you here in that how they look. Here. Yep. So that's all good. Yep. Okay, let's put it back together. So guys, I asked the David to put the Xbox One S, put it back together, and I will show you here. on the other table. So guys, there's oh sorry here. So I will turn it on now. Not the new older generations. Yeah. Okay. Okay. And there you go. It's all working fine. So that's our other table. So my table is here. Anyway, so the screen's not cracked, it's just half. So guys, that's all done. Another successful repair. So if you are interested in any of our repair courses, I will leave a link underneath. So thanks for watching the video. For more videos, please subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Bye.